Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add a service list to your Wix website. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. I already made this video like 8 months ago, but this is like the updated one. So first thing you need to do guys is you just need to click on all site in the top right, in the top left, I'm sorry, and then you want to select which site you want to add service list to. So in my case, I'm going to add service list to this site. Okay, just select and edit, click select and edit site, and it's going to take you guys to the dashboard. Now you just need to click here in the top right for edit site in the top right, and it's going to take you guys to the like the editor. As you can see, the Wix editor, where you can like add different elements, different fonts, for example, to change fonts, whatever. Here is exactly what we want. Okay, this place we just, as you can see here, preparing your site. Just give it a few seconds. After that, you just need to click on this plus button here in the top left, and then you will be able to scroll down. Okay, so scroll down and click on bookings. So when you click on bookings, you will be able to see here add to, let me show you here. I will like remove the app and show you guys how you can do this from scratch. So this is exactly guys how it's going to look like. It's going to say here, take online bookings, let your clients book and pay for services. Now you just need to add here, you just need to click on add to site, and when you click guys on add to site, you just need to wait a few seconds. It says here adding Wix bookings, just give it a few seconds. So this is exactly guys how it's going to look like. It says here our services, and you can add like 3 different services here. You just need to add here the name, the service name here, and here again the service name, the price, and also you can do something like book now, or you can also go click on the plus button and then go to again to the bookings, and you can see here the service list if you want to change it. For example, you can also add featured service here. Okay, so if you want to feature it on your Wix website, you can also add a different template here, as you can see. Now this is the service list, as you can see. Now what you guys need to do, you just need to add here, you can also like have like 3 different categories. Now you just need to click here and then click on manage services. Now when you click on manage services, you will be able to change here, you will be able to change the image and add your own service there. Okay, so just scroll down a little bit, click start from scratch, and you can then add here the service name. Okay, drop shipping service for new starters. This is just an example. So here here give a quick intro to your service, just give him a quick intro, and here also the duration. Here I'm just going to go with 1 hour, and here description. So give description of your service, what your service is about, what your clients should expect from your service. And here you can also add the price. Here I'm going to add $200, which is like fixed price. Here the payment preferences, you can entire amount in person if you want to receive it in person, or online deposit and in person, or entire amount online. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Here the location, you just need to add the location of your service, and after that you just need to add here the image. Okay, just click on add cover, just add here the image of your service. So in my case, I'm just going to upload a random picture here, so that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to add it here. Okay, so here is the image. I'm going to add to page, and then click on save. Okay, so this is like your new service here. As you can see, it says here start booking online orders. Now if you click here, you will be able to see the service. As you can see here, this is this is how it's going to look like. Okay, this is dropshipping service for new starters, and book now, which is $200. You can also add multiple services. Just click again on manage services, and if you want to add another service, so now we have added one service, we can add another one. Here add new service in the top right, and you want to click here on start from scratch. Okay, you can also generate the service using the EI, but I'm going to start from scratch, and you can just add the the service name, the optional drop shipping for everyone. This is just an example, and here the image, I'm going to add here this image. Okay, so after that you just need to click on select the price here. I'm going to add here $200, then click save, and as you can see now we have now two services. Okay, so people now can book the service. As you can see, you just need to wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is the service 2 and this is the service 1. If you click on it, you will be able to see more information about the service. So yeah, hopefully guys this one helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just drop a like button, and yeah, just let me know in the comments whatever question you have. I try to reply to everyone. See you guys next video.